Hey guys, it's like 10 p.m. What's today? Wednesday? Wednesday the 7th at 10 p.m. And hi, I'm vlogging. No, yeah. So, just did some new releases and I'm so happy with them. The clear dots, I think, are going to be super popular because they've been heavily requested. Don't mind my makeup. The one day I wear makeup, it's so old. But this is what I'm really excited about. Look at all these goodies. I can't see the camera, so I don't know where I'm pointing it. So excited. Planning time. Money. Dollar bills. Meal prep. Or like cooking. And then we have Happy Mail. I'll put some silver in front so you guys can see. Cleaning. That sponge, a sleeper, so cute. Like a sleeper, like as in like, it's really cute. Some hearts. Laundry. And I did double here because these are the popular ones. Heavily requested was hearts, and then of course, the bows. I know everyone's super into the bows, so I'm gonna deliver, okay? And I'm super happy that my cutting mats are sticky because it's allowing me to cut these because, let me tell you, it's been a journey. Super happy about new releases. They are gonna be pain in the ass to photography. I speak more good. It's going to be super pain in the butt to take a picture. So I thought about like taking one out and doing it like, I can show you on my pencil. Kind of like this. But the problem is I have like a theme, like I don't want, so like I have the pencil be like in front and then the background kind of be faded. But I don't think that's gonna work because I feel like the point is to see the theme. But I love this theme. I'll turn it sideways so you can see it all. So I have like a plain pink, a plain blue, a glitter purple, that kind of, these are like watercolor kind of like stripes, a glitter pink, a kind of a darkerish blue, that purple, blue, glitter purple, and then a pink. So this is, I don't think I said it, it's Starlight. Come behind it, Starlight theme. And then I'll have other themes in other weeks, but I don't want to overwhelm myself. So I thought this was like a good pinks, blues, and a little bit of purple in there. I felt like was good to the point. Like it looks so good in silver too. Actually, I think I like it better in silver than I do in the gold. And that's saying something. I only release gold, come on. I think I originally, when I started releasing them, I only released gold and then I went back and added silver. I didn't jip you guys this time. I added both and I worked my butt off to get both. I didn't prep any though. Like I prepped one of each. Cause I don't know how they're gonna sell. Like I'm afraid to like prep a bunch and then they don't sell and I have a lot of time consuming things, but if they sell well, I'm screwed. I probably have the stupidest laugh. So that's where I'm at. I'm trying to print some things for my TN. I want to print some wedding photos. Oh, I don't have it here. It's downstairs. Cause like in the back of my TN, I have like a little wedding section. Cause like, why not? Cause I just got married. It's still new. October of last year, I can still count that as new. I think I just wiped like all my makeup off my nose. So I want to add some wedding pictures. Why not? Okay, I'm looking real pasty. Do I like blend? I do blend in. I blend in with the wall here. That's what happens when you haven't seen sun in like 3 years. When did I do Accutane? 2012? 2013. We're in 18. Yeah, I haven't seen the sun since I've done Accutane. So you'll see me, hopefully my fake tanner won't be too terrible for you guys to look at, because I do like to have color. I just get none. I get more red. I don't know, you can kind of see it. Again, this is old and I've touched my face and I've wiped it up. Yeah, and I was doing this for a lot today because this left eye was super itchy. Better be nothing wrong. I'm one of those people that freak out if something's wrong. So better not be anything wrong. Oh, and I got a sticker order today. Oh, it's downstairs. I'm totally going to go get my TN and go get my stickers, and I'm going to do a haul. It'll be up way before you guys see this, because I'm still trying to catch up on vlogs. I'm trying. I promise I really am trying. You guys probably think I'm fucking crazy. So I also want to let y'all know I finally ordered a Foxy fit like the rest of the world. I 100% blame Erica. She gets full blame for that. So this is my current one. I was doing so good holding out. I've had this for like 2 weeks, maybe a week and a half that I've actually been using it, because we are on this week. I have been holding out. Not very well apparently. So I still haven't finished filming my setup. So this is what I was talking about. I have this little section back here that I can add some goodies. And I currently have like a larger one in here. So like you can put another picture here, and then I may just tape a picture down like I have that one on this side. So kind of just very like loose, and then I have my little last name. This one, I swear, this is what I'm loving the most. Oh, here are my dots in there. And then I just did my new releases. Yeah, so I just put a little whiteout over these ones because they actually have circles behind them. You ain't gonna be able to tell. So, I've been really liking it. My meal planning one, it's kind of difficult because I sometimes hate meal planning. This is where we're at. I feel like I can get like a couple things done and then I can't. My weekly, I'm trying to do a little bit more bullet journal-ish. Like, let's see, let me take that off. Like the previous week, no. I've been in for 2.5 weeks. Like this week came out super cute. Right? And then this is the first week I ever did in it. I thought I did pretty good, okay? So we are learning together. By learning, be like everybody already knows how to do a TN, and I'm just lacking there. So I think I'm going to try a kit for next week. Maybe one of my mini kits. I feel like you could just use functional things. That's what inspired this, if I'm gonna be honest. I want just some functional icons that make it look cute. Like I feel like it looks boring because I suck at writing things down. So like being like cute. And then this again is the wide. I have quite a bit of room. I'm gonna make myself some dashboards and stuff. And I've already made a bow, but I'm waiting for my hot glue gun to come so I can like properly do it. This is like, I mean, it's still technically a proper bow, but this was like kind of thrown together just to make it work because I don't have the right things to make them correct, okay? But yeah, I'm loving it. But another happy note, get it happy? Happy mail? Happy mail! Although, this one went through, let's see if I can do this. the ringer. Look at that. Terrible, terrible. But I'm about to film a video. I almost turned it around.